Hi, this is Cara Latham from MedAd News, and I'm here on the third day of the Digital Pharma East convention. We're actually just wrapping up. So I'm here with
Joe Hogan from Epion Health. I'm the president of Epion Health.
Thank you for speaking with me today.
You bet, Karen.
Can you tell me a little bit about your product and just give a brief overview of what you're looking to do?
Well, what we're doing is we're launching tablets into the physician's office, and they're used for two main reasons. They're used to educate patients, get the patient involved in understanding their disease, understanding their health, and taking that period of time when they're in the waiting room and engaging that patient at that point. And we're also developing tools and apps that will be placed on the tablet for physician use, so the physician is able to have everything at his fingertips that he wants to use, he or she wants to use, and they're able to access those tools and apps on one piece.
Thank you. Can you, I guess, maybe start off by telling me a little bit about how it can benefit patients?
Sure. So currently in the system that we have right now, patients have about, between the waiting room and the exam room, they have about 30 to 35 minutes while they're waiting to see the physician. And they're texting, they're reading People magazine, and maybe not fully engaging in learning about their disease. They're in an environment where they're open to learning about their disease. They're in the physician's office, and there's a missed opportunity right now in the marketplace where no one's currently engaging that patient at the level that we feel we can do. So what we're doing is we're providing these tablets to the physician's offices, and now what we're doing is when the patient checks into the office, they're handed a tablet and asked to review a module that correlates with their health, their disease. If they have diabetes, they're asked to review the diabetes module. And here's the size of the tablet. It's a 10-inch Android tablet, and it's really easy to maneuver for the patient. And what's happening is the patient is taking it in the waiting room, and they're taking it with them to the exam room, and they're taking that 35 minutes and learning about their disease. And then when they leave the office, they just hand the tablet in, and they're done. But there's a different level of engagement for the patient. When they speak to their physician, they're more informed. The conversation is perhaps at a higher level than just a general understanding, and the whole idea here is improving health literacy and improving outcomes for patients.
Right. And on the physician side, how can this make it more beneficial for physicians to have this in their offices?
Well, in the age we live in right now, there's a lot of tools and apps being developed, and many physicians would like to use them or use some of them, but they don't know where to find them. They currently have, some of them have iPads, and they're using iPads for some apps, but they don't let their staff use the iPads because it has their personal music or pictures on the iPad. So we're providing tablets to the physician's office for use by the physician and his staff, so that they can access the different tools that they use, whether it's dosing calculators, drug reference tools, we can even host EMR on our platform. So there's a tool out there, a tablet, that can be used by physicians and their fellow healthcare providers in the office that will allow them to have everything at their fingertips, all the tools that they use daily at their fingertips. So it's a tool that is an office tool, and it's going to save the physicians and their practice time by educating patients for the office, and it's going to save them time by providing all these tools onto a tablet for them to access whenever they feel like it. Thank
you. Do you want to just show them again the size of it? I don't know if they,
so
they got it in
it's just it's a small little 10-inch Android tablet, and it's really light and easy, and we haven't launched. I should say we haven't launched. We're launching in Q1, but we're excited about the response we're getting so far. A lot of people are anxious to put their content on our tablet, and also. Getting back to the patient for a moment, this provides whoever wants to, whether it be a payer, a physician, or a pharmaceutical company, allows them an opportunity to communicate with a patient 5 minutes before they see their physician, which is a really highly coveted time and highly coveted patient type, if you will, and it allows them to communicate and have a dialogue with that patient just moments before they see their physician. So it's a great opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you very much for talking to me today.
Thank you, Kara.
And enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.